Here we are at Hillsborough River State Park near Tampa, Florida. Hooked up with Rich and Diane Lang. We're going to the big RV Super Show in East Tampa tomorrow.
At the Tampa Fairgrounds.
At
Is that the county fair or the state
Florida
fair?
State Fairgrounds.
Florida State Fair. Oh, wow. Wow. Big deal.
Jerry and I are going to look at small fifth wheel trailers and travel trailers. Rich and Diane are going to look at Class C's. They have a Class A and now they're thinking of downsizing. This is our first night's campfire.
We just had steak.
We just grilled a couple of small sirloin steaks with cheese, sauce, broccoli, and fried rice for dinner tonight. Had a scrumptious dinner.
You miss sugar.
And we miss sugar. We miss her a lot.
We miss sugar.
I said we miss sugar.
I said you miss sugar.
Oh,
but
I miss
we
sugar.
Miss sugar. Oh, no, we miss sugar.
We miss sugar. One or both of us miss sugar quite a bit. This is our first camping trip without our sugar bell. Anyway, enjoy the fire.